Hi there, students. Escrow. Escrow. This is a noun. Okay, this is financial, business, a legal word. It's really quite technical. Okay, this is a deed or a bond or some money or a piece of property that's being held by a third party, um, and will only be given to somebody else or turned over when certain conditions are fulfilled. So, if somebody is buying or selling something, then maybe they put goods in escrow or money in escrow that will be turned over when the goods are delivered. It's like a guarantee that this is going to happen. So you guarantee you guarantee to sell me, I don't know, 1,000 kilos of gold 3 months from today, but I have to put the money for the payment in escrow so that you are guaranteed the payment. And when the gold is delivered, that's the condition, then the money is handed over. Okay, so it's money or property that's in the custody, looked after by an independent third party, and this is a guarantee of fulfillment of the conditions of a contract. Yeah, the money or the object will be handed over only when the conditions are met. So, assets in escrow. Or maybe he's got money, he's got £10,000 in escrow to pay the taxes that will be liable on this sale. The estate of a dead person may be in escrow until the conditions of the will are fulfilled, and then the assets will be distributed. Okay, so you have an escrow agent, yeah, who receives and then disperses or spends, delivers money or property um, to the different transacting parties. Okay, but this is dependent on certain conditions being filled, and I think very normally the escrow has discretion to do this in the case of an argument. So this is some sort of broker, an independent broker, who guarantees that this transaction will take place. It's most commonly used when in purchasing the shares of a company. Yeah. Or, for example, a mortgage when selling real estate. So I can't pay off the mortgage yet, but I can put the money in escrow to pay the mortgage, and then that would allow me to transfer a piece of land or property. Okay, so it's an escrow. It's effectively putting something in trust to guarantee the contract is going to be valid and it's going to continue through. So this is in escrow. This is the state of the property once it's been deposited with an escrow agent. So notice this is very technical. This is a business word. Probably in formality, I'd probably give it something like a 7, but it's a technical word to use in the right context. And then as to origin, okay, there's a word escrow in Middle English, which means escrow, which comes from Old French escrouer, a scroll or a strip of paper, and that itself probably comes from Frankish scroda, a shred. So really the escrow is a piece of paper guaranteeing what will happen and who owns what and when the money or the assets are to be conveyed to the new owner. So escrow, but remember it's technical, business, legal. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Escrow.